What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for cheddar and broccoli stuffed chicken breasts, all you're gonna need is garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, fresh or pre-minced garlic, shredded cheese, broccoli, and of course your chicken breasts. This is a beautiful dish to make at your dinner party, and these breasts will look great on your dinner plate. And without further ado, let's get to creating this beautiful dish, family. Okay, we're gonna start with our broccoli. You do wanna rinse them off nice and thoroughly. And we're gonna take our big crowns and we're gonna cut them into small crowns. Just like so, family. And it's up to you. You can cut your broccoli however small or big you wish. Nothing too elaborate. This is fine, just like that. Give me a like. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get to our garlic butter. I didn't make this before. So you're gonna add 3 to 5 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of pre-minced garlic. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. At this time, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley, and we're gonna mix it some more. And there you have it, garlic butter. Now we're gonna go ahead and move over to the star of the show, our chicken breasts. You do wanna wash these off thoroughly as well, family. After you pat them dry, we're gonna cut these in half. I am feeding a couple people today, but you can wish to use the whole breast if you wish. Now we're gonna cut these in half, like you see here. Yes, just like so, family. Now we're gonna add our garlic powder. Season to taste, family. Now we're gonna add our onion powder. Next, our sea salt. Not too much. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And at this time, we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice massage, family. Get that season all the way through your chicken. Yes, family. Now at this time, we are going to go ahead and take our baking dish and we're going to put a tablespoon of pre-minced garlic at the bottom of our baking dish. You can add more or less if you wish. Now we're going to go ahead and add our garlic butter. This is going to give it a little bit more flavor, family. Okay, and at this time we're going to add in our chicken breast open, and we're also at this time going to add in our broccoli. We're gonna go ahead and do this slow motion. That way you guys can get a gist of how we're doing this. Very simple. Now, we're gonna go ahead and add in our shredded cheese. I like to use fresh cheese because it melts better. But if all you have is the pre-shredded cheese in your refrigerator, go ahead and use it. It's still gonna taste great. Yes. And at this time, family, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna allow this to cook for about 30 minutes. Until then, quick fact. Where was the stuffing of chicken originated? New England. History and origins of stuffed chicken recipes. The stuffing was done by using a variety of herbs, vegetables, and nuts. However, the mention of stuffed chicken in New England is done in Pilgrims. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Yes. And after 30 minutes, this is what we're looking at, family. And we're almost there. At this time, we're going to add another 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. Or you can add more if you wish. This is your dish. And now we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our broccoli. We're going to put this back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. And this is what we're looking like, family. You did this. And this is looking beautiful. Your friends are going to be impressed with it, and none the least, everybody's going to be happy. Let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Today we're gonna have a baked potato to accompany our chicken breast. Let's go ahead and open that up. We're gonna add some butter, some salt, and some black pepper. Nothing elaborate, simple. And let's go ahead and dig in, family. Let's see what we're tasting like. Nice, cheesy, and beautiful. Okay, let's have a taste here. Delicious! I want to say thank you so much for joining me, you guys. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 dings. Until our next food adventure. Peace.